bend that way, so you can sort them out. It's the difference in the mass, right?
You can talk about those things that spin really fast and collide stuff to make new material or new elements. Is that what you're talking about?
No, it's like, let's say if I have an isotope, basically. So, if I have like uranium, for example, right? Evaporate uranium, send it through magnet, right? So there's uranium-235 and uranium-237. So 237 is heavier than 235, right? So basically, I want 235 because that's the one I use for, whatever, it's active for nuclear power or whatever.
Okay, 235.
And that's how I sort it. Put it through a magnet, basically bends one way or bends, with some smaller radius or bigger radius, basically you can sort them out. Put a bucket in one side, you put a bucket, you can sort them out, basically.
Okay.
Or if I have like ETM and tritium, basically, or hydrogen, I can send them through a pipe, and then I can sort them out. So which one is heavier, which one is lighter, basically the magnet.
Got it.